For years now, the Samsung Galaxy S and Note series have been odd siblings, one-upping each other in small but not inconsequential ways. The only real differentiator was the presence of the S Pen. It was a long time coming, and in 2022, Samsung has pulled off the inevitable. The Galaxy Note is dead. Long live the Galaxy Note. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is now squarely the future of Samsung's non-foldable top-end lineup. But power-packed phones are a dime and a dozen. Is it a one-trick pony, or is there anything noteworthy about the S22 Ultra to justify the iPhone competing price? Let's find out in Selguru's first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung is going for minimalism with the design of the S22 Ultra. The aluminium and Gorilla Glass VICTUS wrap design screams luxury. It doesn't have the bling of some of the alternatives, but coupled with the burgundy color option, the phone is a looker in its own right. The 6.8-inch display is equally impressive both in terms of size as well as the quality of the panel. You get all the bells and whistles like a 120Hz panel as well as peak brightness levels of 1750 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on the market. And yes, you get an S Pen as well. Slotted along the left side of the body, the pen supports all the features you've come to love, like the ability to scribble notes, translate text, perform gestures, and more. On the performance side of things, the phone is bringing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to India. Paired up with up to 12 GB of RAM, the spec sheet is as loaded as they come. Moreover, Samsung is shipping the S22 Ultra with Android 12 out of the box. While you'll have to wait for the full review for a complete breakdown of performance, day-to-day usability is perfectly good with slick transitions and no hiccups while jumping between multiple apps. This is exactly what you'd expect from a high-end phone, and the S22 Ultra delivers. Battery life too is good for a full day of use with a 5000 mAh cell. Samsung isn't going all out with the charging tech just yet, so you'll have to make do with a 45-watt charging support. How long does it take to charge fully? Wait for the review. The imaging side doesn't get too many upgrades on the sensor. Instead, Samsung is focusing on software optimization. Between the 108MP primary camera, 10MP 3x telephoto, 10MP 10x telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide sensor, there is a lot of versatility on offer. And yes, you get even better 30x zoom this time. The front camera meanwhile includes a 40MP sensor for selfies. Of course, you get all the basics like an IP rating, stereo speakers, as well as all the codecs you could want for wireless audio. Additionally, the S22 Ultra includes support for ultra-wideband chips for future-proofing. Price starting 1,09,999 rupees, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the definition of a complete package. It gives you all the hardware bells and whistles and packs it up in a software package that brings out the best. However, is it worth buying? We will answer that question in a full review of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.